Good morning. Today's topic is relation. Now, what is relation? So, relation is a subset of A cross B. So, what is A and B? So, let A and B are any two sets and both are non-empty sets. Let A and B are two non-empty sets. So, the relation is a subset of A cross B. Relation is a subset of A cross B. A cross B means Cartesian product of two sets A and B. So we can make many subsets. So relation is a subset of A cross B, and A cross B means Cartesian product. So already we done Cartesian product. Now relation. So start now relation. Okay. So A and B are two non-empty sets. Let A and B are two non-empty sets sets two non-empty sets. A and B are two non-empty sets. Then any subset of A cross B, then any subset of A cross B is a relation. Is called a relation. Okay. So we'll start now exercise 2.2. See question exercise 2.2 first question number 1. And one more thing, relation may be represented by roster form, set builder form, and with arrow diagram also. We can represent with diagram also, and roster form, set builder form, like set. So first question is question number 1. A is a set, elements are 1 to 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 up to 14, A is element. And define a relation R, relation denoted by capital R. So define a relation R from A to A. So first set and second set both are A, 1 to 14 elements. And R equal to, it is given x comma y order pair, 3x minus y equal to 0. This is the condition of the relation. It is given 3x minus y equal to 0, where x, y belongs to A set. And also write down its domain, codomain, and range. So R is given here, A equal to 1 to 14, A set. So exercise 2.2. Question number 1. here A set equal to here A equal to 1 to 14. So 1, 2, 3, dot up to 14. This is A set. And condition is 1, 3x minus y equal to 0. So can 3x minus y equal to 0. 3x minus y equal to 0. We have to apply this condition. Now 3x minus y equal to 0. So this means y equal to 3x. So y equal to 3x. So we know x means first elements are x, that is order pair is form x comma y. Order pair form is x comma y. So first elements are x and second elements are y. And so elements are coming from A set. That is A set elements are 1 to 14. Okay. So now R equal to relation, to make R, what is the relation in this question here? So therefore R is relation equal to, so first to take x equal to 1. So if you take x equal to 1, then y equal to 3 into 1 equal to 3. That means 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3. Then x equal to 2. So 3 into 2 6. So 2 comma 6. 2 comma 6. Then take 3, x equal to 3. So x equal to 3, y equal to 3 into 3, 9. Y equal to 9. 3 into 3, 9. Then x equal to 4, y equal to 3 into 4 is 12. So x equal to 4, y equal to 12. Now say if you take x equal to 5, then 3 into 5, 15. But 15 is not present in the given set A. Okay. So up to this only. So 1, 2, 3, 4 only you can take x. And y up to, that means last is 12. So we cannot take 15. So this is the relation R. All of you understand how to make the relation R from the given condition? Hello? Is okay? Any question?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understand how to make relation? So relation is, elements are 4 elements, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. Now, next part question is write down its domain. So domain means, see the relation, all the first elements, that means x, all x are domain. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So domain equal to domain equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the domain. And next is range. Okay. So range means all the second elements, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. That means image set. The first set is, we know, pre-image, that is x, all x, first set. And second set is y, that is range. So range is 3, 6, 9, 12. So therefore range equal to range set is 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. So first set elements are all the first elements are domain and all second elements are range. And codomain. Codomain means all the elements of given set, that is A. 1 to 14 is codomain. All elements. So codomain equal to codomain equal to 1, 2, 3, comma, dot up to 14. This is codomain 1 to 14, all the elements of the given set A, that is a set. So domain, range and codomain and relation. So this type question are about relation and exercise 2.2. Everyone understand this? It's okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Write down, written.
Yes, sir.
Next, see question number 2. Question number 2 is define a relation R on the set. Define a relation R on the set N of natural numbers by R equal to x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. So condition is y equal to x plus 5, relation condition, and x is less than 4, that means 1, 2 and 3. So depict this relationship using roster form and write down in the domain and range also. Okay. So here R is given, R equal to x comma y and y equal to x plus 5, and find the relation R in roster form. Okay. Same type question. Question number 2. So question number 2. So here R equal to x comma y, order pair x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5, y equal to x plus 5, y equal to x plus 5 and x is less than 4. X less than 4 and xy belongs to n, natural number, and xy belongs to n, natural number. X comma y belongs to n. Okay. So this is the relation R. It is given question. So by using this condition y equal to x plus 5, write the relation R. So take x value 1, 2, 3 only, because x less than 4 it is given. So therefore R equal to so if you take x equal to 1, then y equal to 1 plus 5 is 6. So 1 comma 6, 1 comma 6. Then take x equal to 2, then y equal to 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Then take x equal to 3. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 8. So because x less than 4, so we cannot take 4. Okay. So this is the relation R. Is okay? 1, 6, 2,
Yes,
7,
sir.
3, 8. This is the relation R. Now, question is also find domain and range. So therefore, domain equal to domain equal to 1, 2, 3 first elements. All the first elements. That is 1, 2, 3. This is the domain set 1, 2, 3. And range equal to all second set, second elements. That is 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. This is the range 1, 2, 3 and 6, 7, 8. It's okay? Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next read question number 3. Question number 3 is A is a set, A is 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is another set 4, 6, 9. So define a relation R from A to B where R equal to x comma y and the difference between x and y is odd. This is the condition. Difference between x and y are odd. And x belongs to A first set and y belongs to B second set. Write R in the roster form. Okay. So here A set equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and difference is odd. So x minus y is odd. So that number is including the relation and we can take odd only. If even, then don't take. So here A equal to A set is 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. This is A set. And B set is 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9 is B set. And x belongs to A, y belongs to B. So x belongs to A set and y belongs to B set. That means elements of x are coming from A set and y coming from B set. Okay. So now find R and difference is odd. That one you have to remember this. So R equal to therefore R equal to, so first you take first set element 1. So 1 and 4. So 1 minus 4 is 3. 3 is odd. Then we can take 1, 4. So 1, 4. Then 1, 6 we can take. 1, 6 also we can take. 1 minus 6, that is 5 is odd. So 1, 6 also. So 1, 6. Then 1, 9 1 comma 9 is 8. We cannot take. 8 is even. Now 2. 2 comma 4. We cannot take. 2 is even. 2 comma 6. Difference is 4. Cannot take. Then 2 comma 9. 2 comma 9 we can take. So 2 comma 9. Then 3. 3 comma 4. Yes, we can take. 3, 4 difference is 1. So 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. Then 3 comma 6. Also you can take. 3, 6 difference is 3. So 3 comma 6. 3 comma 6. Then 3 comma 9. 3 comma 9 difference is 6. It is even. Don't take. Then 5 comma 4. 5 comma 4 you can take. Difference is 1. It is odd. So 5 comma 4. Then 5 comma 6 also you can take. 5 comma 6. 5 comma 6 difference is 1. 5 comma 9 difference is 4. We cannot take. So up to this 5 comma 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 5, 9, 5, 6. It's okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
All of you understand this? Difference is odd. That is our condition. And this is the relation. This is the relation R for question number 3. Okay. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Write down this. You are writing all questions. Answer.
Yes, sir.
Next to see question number 4. Question number 4 is, see, one diagram is given. P and Q, two sets. First set is the elements are 5, 6, 7 and second set elements are 3, 4, 5. That means X are 5, 6, 7 and Y are 3, 4, 5. X is first set, Y is second set. Now, relationship between the sets P and Q. Write this relation in the set builder form. Set builder form. And number 2 roster form also. And what is its domain and range. And domain and range also. So question number 4. Question number 4. See the relation with in the diagram you see given 5, 6, 7 and 3, 4, 5. So what is the difference there? Difference between 5 and 3 is 2. Difference between 6 and 4 also 2. And 7 and 5 also 2. So the relation that is maintaining difference is 2 always. Always difference is 2. That means Y set element is Y set element plus 2, that is X set element. So Y plus 2. Okay. Or you can say Y equal to X set element minus 2 difference. X minus 2 is Y. See, X is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. That means Y equal to X minus 2. This is the condition here maintaining. Y equal to X minus 2. So, number 1 set builder from R is First question, part 1. R equal to x comma y such that set builder form we are writing, and xy is ordered pair, and condition is it is y equal to x minus 2. Maintaining this, so x is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, is okay. So y equal to x minus 2. So y equal to x minus 2. This is the condition. And what is x? X is 5, 6, 7. It is given in the diagram. So x equal to 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So this is the relation, and it is set builder form. Say x comma y in order pair, and y equal to x minus 2. This is the condition you are maintaining, and x is 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now number 2 is roster form. This is set builder form number 1. So its roster form is, so roster form you have to write r equal to, so x is 5 and y is 3. See the diagram, then easily we can write 5, 3 first one, 5, 3. Then 6, 4, 6, 4. Then 7, 5, 7, 5. This is the roster form. 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. Okay. So set builder form is y equal to x minus 2. So if you put no, x is 5. So if x is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. See y is 3. X is 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So y is 4. X is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So y is 5. So 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. So number 2 is roster form. And then what is its domain and range? So write its domain. So domain equal to the first elements are domain, that is x, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. First elements are present in relation R. So 5, 6, 7. So this is domain set. And now range. Range equal to second elements are range. That is 3, 4, 5. That is y. 3, 4, 5. This is range. Okay. All of you understand this? Hello? Hello? Okay, it is clear. Anyone, any question, any doubt? Any question?
No, sir.
Thank you.